Hey everyone, I would like to just demonstrate ANO H7500 the canister light to you guys. So let's just install the batteries into the adapter like this. This is positive, this is negative. There you go. Two batteries. So you guys can see there are two switches. One switch here, so one switch on the head. So this is the power switch for canister in case you need to travel by plane. So this is to cut off the power in case the switch on the light head is turned on by accident. So how can you just turn on the canister light? So first of all, you need to hold the switch on the light head like this. Hold, press and hold, okay? And then press the switch on the canister one time. Okay, check it out if this is the light on. If does not, just try another time. Okay, when this is turned on, so you can say the indicator, this means the power is full, it's green, so there's yellow, green and red. So press again for power setting. Say the power setting, 3 different power settings here. And if you want to turn off the canister, just press and hold it like this. Okay, here you go. So if you need to travel, and then press the switch on the canister once again, okay? And then you repeat the first step, and then click this, wait 3 seconds to turn on. There you go. Hope you guys get this. Okay, thank you.